Hey everybody, Ms. Dietrich here. We're taking a look at question number 4, and we're going to use a number line to help wrap our brains around this question. Caitlin buys 9/10 pound of orange slices. She eats 1/3 of them and divides the rest equally into 3 bags. How much is in each bag? All right, so let's just highlight the amount we have. We have 9/10 pounds, so that's going to be this amount right here. All right, there's our 9/10. Now she's eating 1/3 of that. Now, if we were to do the algorithm, we might do 9/10 times 1/3, but let's just look at the thirds that we have here in our blue piece. So if we look at the thirds, we have a group of thirds here. We have another group here. And then we have another group here. So if we're eating 1/3 of that, then that's gone. This piece here is gone. It's been eaten, right? Eaten. So let's put that on top. All right, so that means the amount that's left is this right here, left. We're taking that amount and we're going to divide it equally into 3 bags. Now let's look and count how many tenths pieces we have. We have 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10, 6/10. We have 6/10 left. And we're basically dividing that by 3. We're taking that amount and we're dividing it by 3. Now if we use the picture to circle the 3 equal groups, so remember we're looking at this purple box now and we're breaking that up into 3 equal groups. So it might not even be a bad idea for us to move the red circles out of the way so we don't get confused and focus on the purple box. So if we're going to break that up into 3 equal groups, let's use, let's use yellow again. All right, so here's one group. Here's 2 groups, and here's 3 groups. And we want to know how much is in each bag, because this yellow circle represents the amount in each bag. And if we simply count, we have 1/10, 2/10. We have 2/10 in each bag. This amount is equal to 2/10, which simplifies, by the way, to being 1/5. Now let's talk about the algorithm for this. If we didn't have the nice pretty picture to look at, and let's move this out of the way, and we were to do the algorithm, we might say to ourselves, well, 3 is equal to 3 over 1, and we might use the little acronym keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. We're going to keep the 6/10, which, by the way, we could simplify that, but we'll just leave it in that form. Change this to multiply, and we can flip this to its reciprocal of 1/3. If we cross-reduce, or pre-reduce, I like to call it, 3 is a factor of both of these numbers. It's going to go into 3 once, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. And if we go across now, we have nothing to do here as far as reducing. 2 times 1 is 2. 10 times 1 is 10. And isn't that the same thing we got here? And it'll still reduce to equaling 1/5. All right, so what's the answer? The answer that you're going to put on the space when it says how much is in each bag, you're going to say 1/5 of a pound. And that's your final answer. Write it on the space. Whoops. Having trouble with my mouse here. That's the answer. All right, good luck finishing up the rest of your homework.